Hi friends, how many of you store your daily essentials like pulses, grains, flours, etc. in glass jars? I've been doing it since ages. Earlier I used to store in emptied Bonvita, Maltova, Boost, Horlicks bottles. They all used to be in different shapes and sizes. But when IKEA opened their first stores in India in Hyderabad, this was one of my first purchase. These are the Forvar bottles. As you can see, I've kept all my essentials in these bottles, in these 5 shelves. There are 20 of them. You can see as if these are made for these shelves. And because it is close to my cooking area, for me it's very handy. And these versatile 4-hour bottles can be kept two way, as you can see I kept here, and it can be kept like this to you access easily. I've explained in detail about this 4-hour jar in my IKEA haul video 1, the link of which is shared above. So what else am I going to talk about these 4-hour jars? I have filled these with all the pulses, grains and flour, etc. But you can also fill it with your morning cereals, nuts, spices, your snacks or even cookies. So do you know the capacity of these jars? It is 1.8 liters. So how much of any item can be filled in this jar? Is it 1.8 kg, less or more? Come on, let us find out in this video. Each item weighs different for a given volume. So I'll show how much of each of these items can be stored in these jars. So I devised a method for this. I found out how many cups volume one jar like this can hold. I used water to find this out. I'm taking 1 cup of water, which is almost 250 ml. This could be slightly less or more depending on the cup size. So this jar here holds 8 cups of water, but because it is up to the brim, I felt taking 7 cups measure would be correct for storing the various items in the jar. So if I find the weight of 1 cup of any item, I can calculate the weight of 7 cups of that item, which is the capacity of this jar. I have done this for almost all the items stored here, but I am showing it in detail only for few of them, and the rest of them I have shown in a tabular form. I'm sure those of you who already have these 4-hour jars or those who plan to buy these jars will find this video useful. Thank you for watching. See you soon in another unique video from my channel. Till then, it's bye bye from Bona. Take care.